Good morning. Myself, Dr. Anupama Jain, the Sagian. Today, I have discussed about the basis of the database management system, why it is used. So, start with the definition. Yes. The word database and management. What is the data? Data is a fact, figure, statics, etc. Like ABCD, etc. This is a data. But in case of record, it is belong to a specific category that become a record or database. Fine. Um, so database management system, it means that it is a collection of interrelated data, set of programs to access those data, and also the database management contains information about a particular enterprise. That means simple data, I already told ABCD or name, etc. But in the case of you may create a record of the any shop or any academic institute, the data contains the student name, enrollment number, class, year, etc. So that is the collection of interrelated data. So DBMS provide the whole information in an efficient and convenient way to access in many of pupils in a randomly and concurrently. But in case of file, these are here I have written the some applications of database management system. Database management system is very useful in the all transaction or all banking applications, airline reservation, scheduling, schedules of flights, etc. Universities, registration progress, result declaration. Many of the facts and departments are the different, but the main database are same. Different copies are available in between different department of universities. Cells having the basic three application: customer, product, and purchase, or supply, demand, and manufacturing. Manufacturing also contains the number of applications for database management system like production, inventory, order, supply chain. Human resources, employee record, salary, tax reduction. These are the basic applications of the database management system. So, in short, we also tell that the database touches all aspects of our life, means the database management system in everywhere in our daily uses of life. So, uh, in earlier before database management system, how data is stored in a file processing system. So file processing system contains the many drawbacks or many problems like data redundancy, inconsistencies there, means the multiple file formats and duplicate of information in different file that may be occur in the file processing system, and difficulty to accessing the multiple users because the handwritten notes is there and the readable problem and the accessing problem. Sometimes the records are get the moisture or the for any destroy. Data isolation, multiple files and formats is there, no single format for the particular application. Integrity problem is also there because data cannot contains the proper integrity between different database. So, one more drawback is that is atomicity of update. Concurrent access means the single account, like a banking application, the single account may operate perform single application at a time. But in case of database management system, the same account we perform multiple transactions by multiple uses and multiple modes. So, database, this slide tell about the file processing system and what is the problems and disadvantages of file processing system. Database support the data redundancy and inconsistency is also a very much problematic in file processing system, because same data may be record in the different, like a banking application we have the uh, uh, different windows is there. So one window contains the record about the how data and how KYC these applications are, and another contain the record of balance and withdrawal application, etc. So the same data is available in the different mode. But in case of database management system, data should be accesses by the different windows. Same data access from the server. Atomicity, these are the detailed applications of the what is the problem of atomicity and how it could be controlled in the database management system. Concurrent access of anomaly, it is another application of database management system. Database manage the anomaly. That means the sometimes we have the amount of 10,000 and we withdraw the 9,000 by one mode and again apply the check of 2,000. So the remaining amount is the minus 1,000. But in case of database management system, these types of anomaly is not occur. Security problem is the biggest problem in file processing system, because the data should be stored in the almirahs and uh, banking premises. So sometimes the moisture or any other crisis fire, so the data will be destroyed. But in case of database management system, data will be stored in the server. So the many copies of the available in the different servers. Accessing database is the another problem in file processing system, because the data should be available in a single hand na, so and any one person is absent, so the whole work is the transfer to the another person, or the person get tired. So that's why the file processing system is not very much useful. So this simple database management system switch over all the problems and to the uh, database management system and prepare the proper file management system for that. Thank you for listening me and like the Sage SIRT. Thank you so much.